Institute of Organic Agriculture AIOA has kick-started a week-long Karyashala. A workshop on nano-nutrient engineering for plant fortification, hands-on training at its Noida campus today.
Amity Institute of Organic Agriculture is organizing a one-week workshop and the title of the workshop is Nanonutrient Engineering for Plant Fortification, hands-on training, and that is funded by DST sir.
The inauguration was attended by chief guests like Dr. P.K. Shukla, Horticulture Commissioner, along with M C Dominic, founder and editor-in-chief of Krishi Jagran, who addresses the packed hall of students and inspired them to be a change in the Agri sector.
If a farmer become a brand, what will happen now? He will be very cautious to use his pesticide fertilizer only on limited way. There is no need teaching him. We have to only bring icons in agriculture farming sector. And we know the farm industry is the huge industry, so the opportunities are huge. So what I suggest, we the young generation should fight for the farmers when he get an opportunity to maximize. See, if we could create this year a 200 millionaire farmers, that's a good thing. Every opportunity, if it comes, the farmers make money. So in Krishi Jagran, what we do, 2-3 things I'll tell you. We usually try to make farmer an icon. Unless he become an icon in the village, he become a hero, nobody will opt, nobody will love and appreciate him. See, every industry we do that. So that's the reason Krishi Jagran is planning to acknowledge and appreciate a million millionaire farmers. We hope this year we will find out a million millionaire farmers. Okay, so that's the plan. I just put on a t-shirt that acknowledge what we are going to do. Okay, because the government of India wanted doubling the farmers.
So in the nano fertilizer efficiency, if you see how it is going to increase, because nitrogen, phosphorus, potash, I am not going into detail, but I will tell you that if you see the fertilizer use efficiency, use efficiency varies from 30% to the 60%. In tune of that, it means whatever you are pouring in the soil, it is not going to be utilized by the plants. So here the nanotechnology comes, where you are going to put the fertilizer in required amount, it makes facilitating it to absorb by the plant, so you are increasing the efficiency. Detrimental effect has been talked by my predecessor. Already they have talked about how the fertilizer and nitrogen is going into the runoff and creating the problem. And another way is there, it's a chemical based, so it's not a sustainable. So sustainability is another issue, how long we can add the fertilizer. So that is the one issue we have to take care through the nanotechnology.
I would like to say that at Amity University, we are very fortunate to have different centers, dedicated centers for doing the research on agriculture foundation, like we have Center for Soil Science and Agriculture Extension Services, Biocontrol and Plant Diseases, and then we have Center for Amity Institute of Organic Agriculture. Likewise, we have around 7 to 8 centers, institutes dedicatedly working on the field of agriculture and food. And they have developed several technologies, few of them have already been highlighted by the professor.
So all the speakers were very motivated, and like everyone talked about how nanotechnology is important, how it is important for the circular economy, how it is important for the sustainable agriculture, and how it will be revolutionized. That is, when we are venturing the new technology, we need to be very cautious. Like if we wanted to reduce the pollution, or we wanted to improve the soil health by reducing the input of the different chemical fertilizer, by replacing it with the nanoparticles or nano fertilizers, we must be careful not to make a new pollution of the nanoparticles.
Krishi Jagran is a magazine, journals, he runs number of publications. he showed me all that facility which he had people who were working there even on a rainy Saturday. I went on a Saturday. So I saw Mr. Dominic and his wife totally committed for Krishi. How do we Jagran? How do we awaken the potentials of Krishi, strengths, what India has? India is basically an agriculture-based economy, and he is propagating, promoting, organizing workshops, seminars, conferences, road show, and also to give the importance to farmers.
This high-end workshop will be useful to collaborate with the participants and speakers to exchange ideas and knowledge about current challenges in the field of nanonutrients. The workshop will include keynote lectures and hand-on training session followed by an engaging and interactive discussion among the participants and esteemed guests. For more Agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business.